Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use Magnifier for a close-up look on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen you can swipe across to open up app library. So go all the way to the right hand side and open up app library. In here you can type in the word magnifier, and here you can see it will show magnifier. So tap on magnifier and the app will open. Now at the bottom here you can see there is a control bar. You can swipe it up to open up this menu, and in here you can use the slider bar to increase or decrease the zoom size. Now if you are putting the phone too close to the subject, then you can see it is quite blurry, so you might need to move your phone further out away from the subject, and this will allow you to have a better focus. And from there, once you have a good focus, you can use the slider bar to zoom in. So you can zoom in quite significantly like this. Now at the moment you can see I have a filter on my magnifier, so I'm going to turn off this filter. So this is contrast, and I'm going to see if I can go back to a normal no filter mode. Okay, so this is no filter, and I can zoom all the way in, so you can see now as you zoom in quite close to the subject, you can see the camera lens move quite a bit, and it can be a little bit hard to focus. So maybe if you have somewhere to lean your hand on, maybe against the table here, so that you can have a steady hand, or perhaps maybe put your phone on a small tripod so that it doesn't move a lot. Otherwise, once you are zooming right in, then the cameras can be quite jittery, and it will be hard to keep a steady focus on the subject. But as you zoom out at around halfway, you can see here at around halfway, we can look at the subject quite clearly and steadily with the phone holding in our hand. Otherwise, if you really need to zoom right in, you need to use this tripod. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the other features that is available in the menu at the bottom here. If you swipe up, you can see there is a brightness control where you can increase the brightness. So if it's too dark, you can increase the brightness. And tap on it will collapse. So if you tap on it, it will expand the control panel. And if you want to close it, you just tap on the icon on the left hand side and it will collapse the slider bar, allowing you to choose other options. And here we've got a contrast, so you can change the contrast. Next is the flashlight features. So if it's a bit dark on your working area, you can turn on the flashlight or turn off the flashlight. Now there is also this button here where it has a people detect on, because we are now just pointing at this iPhone device, so it says no people detected. So you can use that feature if you wanted to. The next one is the filter. So there are a number of different filters that you could choose. We've got grayscale, we've got red on black, yellow on black, yellow on blue, white on blue, inverted grayscale, black on red, black on yellow, blue on yellow, and blue on white. I actually really like this filter. Blue and white looks quite cool. So again, you can tap on this filter to change it. So we got let's see, we got no filter, grayscale, inverted. Inverted is also another great nice features to use. So you can see it might help you see smaller objects once it is inverted. So it is a really very useful feature. Okay, so once you are happy with your zoom level, you can tap on the capture button down here, and that will allow you to capture the photo. So once you have captured a photo, you can zoom right in even further. So you can see I can use my fingers to pinch in and I can zoom in. So look at this number right here. Normally it would be quite hard to read with your own eye because it's very tiny and small on the board right here, but using our magnifier I can zoom the number right in and I can easily read the number. So that is really cool. Okay, so we have capture a photo. Now you can capture more than one photos if you wanted to. So you can see here, if I tap on that multiple photo shot, again I can now say I want to capture this sim tray right here in the center. I can tap on the add button, and now I have formed a picture set, and I can tap on the view button here to view the photos that I have captured. And once you are happy with it, you can tap on this share button at the top. So tap on the share button, and this will allow you to copy, print, save to files. Okay, so you can save as images as well. So you can download the image to your photos library. Okay, or you can save it to files. You need to choose where you want to store your files. So you can store it on the iCloud drive or on my iPhone. And then you can choose a folder and then tap on the save button at the top to save. Now once you have finished with using the magnifier, you can tap on the end button and that will end the photo mode, and now you are back to the basic magnifier, and from here you can start to take new photos if you wanted to. Now there is also a settings button over here. If you tap on that, you can customize the control. So what you can do while using the magnifier. So here you can see you can add focus lock or filter. Focus lock allow you to lock the focus while using the magnifier. Okay, so tap on done. And that's it. That is how you can use magnifier. Now you can also add the magnifier shortcut to the control center as well. So what you do is you go into settings. In settings, go down and tap on control center. And then you can tap on magnify here. And that will add the magnifier to the control center at the top here. So that whenever you need to use the magnifier, you don't have to look for the app on your home screen. You can just simply swipe down the control center and tap on the shortcut to open up the magnifier on your device. Now if you have captured a photo, say this photo right here, if I zoom it right in and I take a photo, I can then view the photo. Okay, I can view the photo right here. And if you want to use the zoom to zoom even further in, then you can turn on zoom. So you go to accessibility, then tap on zoom, and you can use the zoom controller. Turn on zoom controller, and this will allow you to just, as you can see, this allow you to zoom in even further. Now again, this is just some additional functions that you could use to further zoom in on your image, and this window here allow you to move around the image like that. And that's it. That's how you can use the magnifier on your iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.